Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Mary Ellen. Today I'm going to share a science experiment for early childhood. This experiment would also work great for an attention grabber in elementary. Our experiment goes perfect with the winter weather. Yes, it is currently snowing. It talks about insulation and how our coats keep us warm. Here are the supplies that you're going to need. For this experiment, we are going to take a bowl and fill it halfway with very cold water and ice. Now we need to give our bowl of ice water a few minutes to cool down. So take a few seconds and go down below and click the subscribe button and also turn on that bell for notifications. Start out with a very simple conversation about what type of weather we wear our coats in. Do we wear it in the summer months? In the winter months? Have the students try their coats on. See if they start to feel a little bit toasty or if it helps them warm up. I've been in some pretty chilly classrooms during the winter time, so it actually may help the children start to feel a little bit better. The conversation may take just a little bit of time because you want the students to really explain their thoughts as to why we do not wear our coats in the summer and why we do wear them in the winter. Now have the students put their hands into the very cold ice water. Let them describe what it feels like. Make sure to have towels ready so that the students can dry their hands when they take them out of the bowl. Give each child a plastic bag. You can use the smaller size bags. I had a gallon bag on hand, and of course we have larger hands, so that's what we used. Have them place their hands back into the ice water. Describe what it feels like and compare it to what it felt like without a plastic bag. Well, let me tell you, it's not wet and it's not as cold, but it's still chilly. So it's time to take out the old coats here and do some investigating. Well, there appears to be some padding in here or some insulation. So when we put our jackets on, this insulation keeps our body heat inside our jacket in order to keep us warm. So what do you think we should do to keep our hand warm inside our bag? Maybe if we put something into our bag with our hand, it will keep our body heat from escaping and keep our hand warmer. The children will now take the batting or snow and place it into their plastic bag. They will once again place their hand into the bowl of ice water in order to compare it to the two previous experiments. This will keep their hands much warmer. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe and give my video a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching. And remember to be proud of your work, productive in your day, and positively joyful.